If you're looking to generate user-generated style content quickly and efficiently, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use AdCreative AI to create high-quality, user-generated content without the hassle. If you're new to AdCreative AI, don't worry. I'm here to walk you through it step by step. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to make your ads stand out in a way that feels natural and engaging. AdCreative AI is a powerful tool that leverages artificial intelligence to generate eye-catching ad creatives designed to drive engagement. What makes AdCreative AI unique is its ability to simulate user-generated content, a style of content that resonates deeply with audiences, but instead of scrambling to create this content manually, AdCreative AI streamlines the process, offering pre-built templates that mimic organic, user-generated posts. To get started, you simply need to sign up for an account and input your basic details, whether you're creating a campaign for a small business, a personal brand, or anything in between. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with a dashboard that lets you input all the necessary information for your project. This includes your business type, campaign goal, and target audience, which is key for AdCreative AI to generate highly relevant content. Now here's where it gets exciting. AdCreative AI's algorithm allows you to create multiple variations of ads, each tailored to specific audience segments. It's essentially automated A/B testing in real time, meaning you don't have to worry about figuring out which creative works best for your target audience. It's all taken care of for you. The best part? You can apply the user-generated style seamlessly. This is where AdCreative AI really shines. It doesn't just create random ads, it tailors your creative to look like a genuine organic post you'd find on social media. This boosts your chances of driving engagement because people connect more with content that feels authentic, not overly polished. You'll notice that the platform gives you a variety of options to adjust your creative, allowing you to choose different images, text styles, and even add your branding. This customization ensures your content feels personal and relevant to your audience, while still keeping that user-generated vibe that performs so well online. And here's something I want you to keep in mind. While many tools create static ads, AdCreative AI lets you generate user-generated style content with motion graphics and dynamic features, which can help catch the eye of your audience even more. At the end of the day, AdCreative AI is all about saving you time while improving the quality of your content. If you've struggled with creating engaging, high-converting ads before, this is the tool that's going to change the game for you. Plus, if you're watching this video, you can use this software for completely free through the first link in the description below. We've got exclusive bonuses for you, including an extended free trial so you can start creating user-generated style content without spending a dime. So, don't wait. Click the link below, get started with AdCreative AI today, and take your digital marketing strategy to the next level. You'll see firsthand how quickly you can generate content that feels authentic, and watch how your audience responds.